Okay, today I want to talk about something a little different. Self-leveling systems. So I have what's known as a Lippert, Lippert, self-leveler. The problem is that when I hit the auto leveler, it doesn't put the coach into a perfect level. The doors still swing open, they don't stay still. I can put a level on it and it just won't show as level. So there is a way you can teach and recalibrate the system, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so my system is on. It says it's ready. So this is a manual extension. I've already dropped them and brought them back. So what I'd like to do, front to rear. I'm going to lift up the front a little. Okay, so now that we have the system totally leveled, and this is me using a level, like a carpenter's level or a contractor's level. And I know that it's level because the doors don't swing wildly, nothing like that. Everything, and it feels level. But it didn't before at all. It felt horribly off. Anyways, now we've got to teach the coach that this is level, that this is what we want, right? So what we're going to do is this. So the first thing we do is we shut it off, turn this off. I hope you can see this. Okay, it's off. Now all we do is go 5 times pushing front, 5 times pushing rear, and it should acknowledge that that's 0 calibration. There's the front. That's the 5. Now it just beeped and said 0 point calibration. Enter to set 0 point stability check. Now it's actually checking. And then that's it. It's done. So just to reiterate, this is what's known as the Lippert 4-point system. So in other words, there's 4 jacks. This isn't one of the 45-foot ones that have the 6 points. Although it would be the same. You would just press 5 times the front, 5 times the rear, and it'll accept your reading. It's basically you telling it that even though it thinks that you're at 0, you're not. And you're just teaching it how to, find out what it is and store it for the next time. Now, if I went ahead and retracted the jacks and then I put them on auto level again, it would return the coach to this exact setup, the way I have it, the way I like it. I hope this helps. I know there's probably hundreds of videos out there about this. This is a really old system, so I'm hoping this might help people that have the older systems. I heard that on the newer systems you got to push it 10 times. I'm not sure. Find out which one you have, and just remember front and back. That's all you need to remember.